Hello everyone, welcome back to page Multimedia's Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna continue to pick up 6 vocabulary words and finish lesson 26 that talk about John the Baptist. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, the first word is drove. Drove. Drove spelled D-R-O-V-E. Drove. Drove is the past tense of drive. For example, he drove out through the gate. He drove out through the gate. Drove. And word number 2 is bought. Bought. Bought spelled B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Bought is the past tense of buy. For example, I bought her a toy yesterday. I bought her a toy yesterday. Bought. And word number 3 is wore. Wore. Wore spelled W-O-R-E. Wore. Wore is the past tense of wear. For example, they wore blue uniform. They wore blue uniforms. Wore. And word number 4 is chose. Chose. Spell C-H-O-S-E. Chose. Chose is the past tense of choose. For example, she has no reason to choose him. She has no reason to choose him. Chose. And word number 5 is took. Took. Took spelled T-O-O-K. Took. Took is the past tense of take. For example, what took you so long? What took you so long? Took. And word number 6 is did. Did. Did spelled D-I-D. Did. Did is the past tense of do. For example, did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? So, okay everyone, please repeat after me one more time, please. Drove. Drove. Bought. Bought. Wore. Wore. Chose. Chose. Took. Took. Did. Did. Good job everyone. Thank you so much everyone for your spending time to watch in this video. And then everyone, don't forget to pick up all of these words to make the sentences by yourself. And then leave it in a comment and I'll help you to correct on the sentences. If your sentences is good, I will give you the sum up, but it is not, I'll help you to work on it. And then if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.